What's up YouTube, G-Money here. Today what I have is a rusted floorboard that I am hoping to weld a sheet of metal to. And thing I got to do to prepare it first is go underneath, because when I was cleaning the car underneath I noticed that there was a distinct hole that theoretically starts right here and ends on this side, but there's still a metal that's connecting it. So I'm gonna have to clear out some of the metal, because what I wish to do is have a sheet of metal going from here all the way to the front. Okay, after cutting the sheet of metal, here's what I got. It is sticking out right there, as you can see. And then on this side, step on it to make sure to show you guys an illustration. But that's right now, obviously, it's not attached at all. But it does cover everything, and it is one solid piece that goes all the way to the back. Let me show you underneath of it as well. You know, it's one solid sheet of metal, which is nice. What's up, everybody? Today is welding day. I'm on the passenger side of my car, and I have everything set up for welding. Always gotta have gloves, always gotta have long sleeve shirt. Second thing, or third thing I guess, welding helmet is required. Now, to use this tool, let me show you how to use this tool. Number one thing, you got to make sure to clamp it on a piece of metal. Doesn't matter what kind of piece of metal, as long as it's the metal of the car. And that is the ground. If you look, there's ground wire. That's what I have it clamped. Now, everybody likes the welder on a different setting. I actually prefer it less feed. Some people like it to be more feed, some people like it to be less feed. I like it less feed with maximum strength, but it depends on the sheet of metal that you're welding. If it's a thicker metal, it has specific instructions right here. Based on the thickness of metal, it gives you recommendations on how fast you want the wire feed to go. Now, looking at the the metal, you will make sure to have to clean the metal before you start welding it, because if it is dirty, it will not stick. Then, using the tip, you want a little bit sticking out, and the distance is extremely close. Like, you got to be extremely close to it. Not too close, but still about, I would say, ½ inch to an inch away from the metal that you're going to be welding. Okay, time to finish this off. This is what I'm done with. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there is going to be way more content just like this. And over here I am going to be putting body filler. There is still a gap here that I absolutely cannot do anything with, but body filler will take care of this. With mine, I do not have to clean the welds off because there's going to be carpet that's going over top of this. But if you do need to clean the welds off, use a grinder with a cutoff wheel. Let me show you how I did my Galaxies. When I was welding, I welded this entire trunk on there. And as I welded on the Galaxies, I made sure to clean it up. Especially with this, look at that. I love the fact that this is one line. And then obviously a little bit of body filler to make sure everything is straight, and it should match up. Reach, I teach. So reach out what you want to learn next.